They've come from all over the country, wearing the beads and feathers of 170 different indigenous groups, more than half of those in Brazil, chanting and praying, each in their own language, in the hope the Supreme Court will hear their voices. It's the largest indigenous gathering in the capital, Brasilia, since 1988. That's when the country's democratic constitution was approved, giving native Brazilians the right to reclaim ancestral lands. But they're back again, fearing those rights will be curtailed. This week, the Supreme Court is expected to make its ruling.
It's a land dispute between the SHOKLENG people who reclaimed their territories in the southern state of Santa Catarina and big landowners who say they have no rights because they weren't occupying those lands in 1988 when the Constitution was approved. It'll set a jurisprudence for hundreds of their pending cases.
The SHOKLENG chieftain says setting a time limit is unconstitutional and unfair.
We weren't living in our lands in 1988 because had we stayed there, we'd have been exterminated. We've been hunted down by the landowners. They put a price on us. They paid people to kill us and asked them to bring our ears as proof.
Brazil's indigenous groups have forever been at risk from land grabs, illegal mining and logging. And they say attacks have increased since Jair Bolsonaro became president, with him promising to stop creating reservations and further exploit the Amazon rainforest. They're hoping the Supreme Court ruling will protect them.
It's a race against time. Meanwhile, in Congress, the powerful farm lobby and President Jair Bolsonaro himself are pushing a bill that will allow commercial agriculture and mining in protected indigenous lands. Yanakiew, Al Jazeera, Brasilia.